This is the Roland, and we are going to make some maiden flight of the T1, which has updated the firmware V4.5 version. And I have flew more than the 4 times this morning, and the overall performance is more stable than the previous one. But there is some still problem of the key movement. I mean, for example, when I push the stick into the aileron, right and left, then the frame is suddenly shaking up, forward, and backward. I can show you this problem. And the second problem is when I'm going to some port. This is the mode 1 transmitter, forward and stop. Then the frame is shaking just like this, you know. This problem has never happened in the DJI or the other flight controller, just like the Terra or the Zero UAV before. But I think that the 4.5 firmware still has these problems and not fixed at all. I can show you this problem. Now you can see the satellite is now captured more than 50 satellites here. The battery is almost half charged status. I can shortly fly within the 30 seconds from now. You can see the frame is very shaking. I can show you, and go and stop. Then you can slightly shaking forward and backward. And if I can move the stick into the right, then frame is suddenly shaking forward and backward. Did you see that? Okay, I can show you again. This one and this one. Yes. The backward and stop, the frame is shaking, you know. Okay, I can show you some more faster flying. And the stop, shaking and stop, you know. And from here, I can show you the aileron stick is moving to the right, then frame is back and forward, suddenly shaking. Okay. It does not happen always, you know. Suddenly it happens again. Okay, here and there. Okay, you know that the start moving is very not stable. Usually in the DJI they are stopping the frame just like this, but in case of the T1, shaking like this. Okay, I can show you again. Go forward and stop, of shaking, you know. And the aileron moving right, okay, and the left, and stop, shaking, you know. Yeah, it's almost the 1 point the delay, you know. I'm not sure, I don't know what it happened. And the current gain parameter is all of them are the 110% now, you know. Okay, and I can show you the gain parameters. Okay, here. Yes, the settings and the sensitivity settings, you know. Yes, the stability sensitivity is the 105%, 105%. Throttle sensitivity is 90%. I tested all of the gain parameters from 9% to the 120%, but the shaking problem not solved yet. And you know that this is currently the 810 millimeters, and I set the wheelbase parameters just like the 750 millimeters. That's all. And you know that the firmware is the latest one, the no update. Yes, so I think that also I make some the horizontal the calibration and the electromagnetic calibration very carefully. You know that I mean that very slowly rotating the clockwise and the nose down and the clockwise again. Everything was performed very correctly. You know. So please show this video to Mr. Alan and Francesco, and I would like to listen to their opinion about that. Okay.